You said first time you came here, you said this might remind you of.
No, that story is not appropriate.
Okay.
Because you didn't hear the full story. What I was saying, don't tamper with people's professional equipment was the message on that story. But love what you do.
Okay.
If you love what you do, you will study it out of joy. You will learn it. You will want to be good at it because you love it.
Yes.
That should be the first priority. The money will come later. You know, when you love something, if you love cars, you're going to learn how to fix the wheel and fix the engine. How does the car run? You put your own time into learning. I never went to school and got a degree in acting. I'm an engineer.
Okay.
But because I loved it so much, I learned everything there is to know about the business over the many years I've been. So find what you do, find what you love and do it.
Okay.
Put time into it.
Okay. Job